Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some quick and easy tricks that can instantly level up your outfit game. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just want to look sharp every day, these tips will have you looking your best in no time. Let's get started. First up, accessories. The right accessories can take your outfit from plain to polished. Think about adding a stylish watch, a belt that ties the look together, or even some subtle jewelry. The key is not to overdo it. Just pick one or two standout pieces that complement your style. Next, let's talk tailoring. Even the most expensive clothes won't look good if they don't fit properly. A well-fitted outfit can make all the difference, so don't be afraid to visit a tailor for adjustments. Whether it's hemming your pants or taking in a shirt, a little tailoring goes a long way. Shoes can make or break your outfit, so it's important to choose wisely. Always match your shoes to the occasion and the overall vibe of your outfit. Clean, well-maintained shoes can elevate your look, while dirty or worn-out shoes can drag it down. Pro tip: keep a few versatile pairs in your wardrobe, like classic white sneakers, leather boots, and a nice pair of dress shoes. Layering is an art, and when done right, it can add depth and dimension to your outfit. Start with a simple base and build up with jackets, scarves, or sweaters. The trick is to mix textures and colors without overcomplicating the look. Remember, less is often more when it comes to layering. Finally, let's talk color coordination. Understanding how colors work together can help you create a more cohesive and stylish outfit. Stick to a color palette that suits your complexion, and don't be afraid to mix complementary colors. A pop of color here and there can make your outfit stand out, but make sure it doesn't clash. And there you have it. 5 simple tricks to improve your outfit instantly. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so have fun with it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.